It's your boy Moseefus Mr 20 View King, and everything I do get 20 views. There's a wave of country music, urban rap country that is being pushed. That stuff happened, but it's like white rappers and like Adam Calhoun, I think. Not necessarily MAGA. It doesn't necessarily have to be MAGA music. You know, it's not really politicized, but it's hip hop being being fused with country. That is a possibility because I feel like the world of country music, there's a new lane of country, urban country that is being blazed with this type of artist. Shout out to Upchurch, man. Katarina's the Upchurch fan. Katarina with the win.
Subscribe